best with each other. I'll be happy for you when you find another. We ain't good, but we still good. Who knew it'd be like this? Usually my exes tell me enemies, but this is different. Cause we done got closer now that you ain't with me. Oh yeah. Ain't no way we gon' forget that. And your family love me like a family. You know where you stand with me. So when they ask, tell us right, wrong time. Can't say that's right. You always been a real one, even though we ain't together. It was real love, and maybe it's still love. I hate to be making it forever. Probably ain't getting back together, but that don't mean that I can't get you better. Yeah, good, but